Alright, before we move on to the finals for men's doubles, we would like to invite our players. Let us have it for Team Ashrani. Not bad. One win against Ruby and actually the Ruby. Round of applause for Team Ashrani. Actually, these are brothers. Forgive. Ada semua moral sempatan. Next, we would like to invite Team Newbie. Kami brothers juga. Thank you so much for joining. And now we would like to invite one of our finalists, Team ANS. Ini belum obviously ya, Team ANS dan juga Team SAS. Maka dulu. SAS. Ya, baru lepas senyum belakangnya masih game face atau game face. And now we would like to invite our other finalists, Team SAS. Okay, for those who would like to stay and watch the finals between Team ANS and Team SAS, you are more than welcome to stay. Once again, thank you to all teams for joining this competition. We will have 3 minutes break until the final. So please be ready. If you would like to do your warm-up, you may do your warm-up. 3 minutes until the final.